What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Mantra, also known as ORM, which has pumped up over 44% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at 22 cents guys. So as you guys can see, it has been performing absolutely crazy over the last couple of weeks. 117% up over the last week, and over the month 242% guys. So where is this crypto heading to next? Can it hit the dollar mark anytime soon, or even 50 cents? And looking at, is now the right time to buy it? Is it way too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well in 2024. Is it going to keep pumping, or is it going to drop back down, just like a few other projects in late December which started to pump up like crazy and then literally crashed back down? Is this another one of them? That's what we're going to be going through as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Mantra, which is here in purple at about 12 cents, nearly hitting 13 cents. And we can see the actual value of Mantra is all the way up here in green at over 22 cents guys, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. However, the only bad side to that is that the difference between the SMA indicator and the actual value is quite a lot, so the crypto may be overvalued right now and may be in for a little bit of a dip over the coming days and weeks, but we'll get into that later on in the video. So for now, I'm just going to bring out the 30-minute chart and then move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. Only reason they're looking so steep is because of the major pump that has taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours, which is not the case. What I'm expecting by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow is for Mantra to have gone for an overall drop in value guys. Reason being is it is overvalued and it is likely to go for a little bit of a dip, potentially dropping down to around 19 to 20 cents. Somewhere around that price range is where I'm expecting Mantra to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow. But again, that does not mean that it's going to stop pumping right now. It is likely to pump up higher than where it is at the moment, potentially hitting 24-25 cents before it slowly starts to dip back down again later on this evening to tomorrow morning. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, we are still looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction and looking quite steep once again, meaning this is not realistic guys. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by mid to end of next week, I am expecting Mantra to be trading around the 20 cents target. But let me explain that a little bit more. Over the coming days, so towards the end of the week, it is likely to drop down to around 15 to 16 cents in value, potentially 14 cents even, before it slowly starts to gain value by mid to end of next week, bringing it back up to where it is at the moment, around 20 to 21 cents. So essentially it is likely to go for a price correction down to about 15-16 cents, and then slowly start to gain value up to around 20 cents in value over the next 7 to 8 days. So do expect quite of a wave before it pumps back up. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, once again we are looking way too steep guys. again, I understand why, because since about late December last year, the crypto has been pumping like crazy, guys, and it is still ongoing right now. So the graph thinks that the crypto is going to keep pumping in that direction and at that pace over the next 6 to 8 weeks. However, that is not the case. What I'm expecting from Mantra over the coming week or so, sorry, not week, couple of weeks, is yes, it is likely to pump up higher to about 35 cents approximately by end of Feb, early March, and then it should start to drop back down in value, going for a price correction, dropping down below about 15 cents is what I'm expecting by late March and early April, and potentially going even lower than that towards mid-year, let's say Q2 of 2024. I'm expecting it to drop down even lower than that, especially with the Bitcoin halving coming in April. This can have a major impact on not just on the value of Mantra but the crypto market in general. But I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So again, the Fibonacci scale, as you guys can see, we are currently trading in the top tier level here. We've taken quite a pump today. What it's likely to do over the coming hours and days is slowly start to drop back down into the lower part of the top tier level and potentially hitting the blue zone over the coming week is what I'm expecting from Mantra, and then potentially slowly start to gain value again by early to mid March and April as well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 250%, making it $93 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. I don't blame it. It is the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Binance, so it is getting a lot of traction in the crypto market from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot more people are trading the crypto, which in return is also helping the value of Mantra pump up higher than where it is at the moment. So far the crypto has been performing very well, but for those of you guys looking to invest into the crypto, I would make sure my risk management is on point. And also, number one rule when it comes to cryptocurrency or investing in general is make sure your risk management is on point and do not invest more than what you can afford to lose. So yeah, a lot of people have been asking me, can this crypto hit $10? It is way too far from the $10 mark, guys. We need to focus on the dollar mark, which I'm expecting it, if everything goes as planned, then potentially towards the very end of this year or early next year. And the $10 mark, it can't be seen at least for the next 2 to 3 years, guys. So there's no even point talking about the $10 mark, because anything can happen in between that time. It can pump, it can crash, and yeah, $10 is just way too far away from where the crypto is trading at the moment. And on that note, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Comment down below how high are you guys expecting Mantra to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm gonna end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.